This is how to use the Ninja Crispi Pro air fryer and just an overview of the different features of this air fryer. So to get started, I'll go over the different buttons on how to use them and how to turn on the air fryer. It's very simple. Select this as the power button. It'll say hello initially, and then it will light up the different modes that we have. You can cycle through the different modes just with this right here. And then when you pick one that you want, just select it and press it in. So I'll do air fry, and then that mode is selected. You can adjust the temperature as well, selecting the temperature and then spinning it to whatever you desire, selecting the final temperature with the center button as well. And then to adjust the time, just spin it up to whatever you want and then select it, and there it goes. To turn it on and off, you can just select the power button and now it's off. You have this light availability right here, so you can turn that on to illuminate a light below, and then just click it one more time and then it can turn the light off. Now, right now I have the 4-quart glass container in the air fryer. So to remove it, it has these plastic handles that are attached to the container. So you can just pull them and then slide it out right here. There you go. So this is the 4-quart container. The machine that I got also came with this smaller one as well. And these handles are just attached to the glass container. What's kind of nice is if you flip it over on the bottom, you can see there's just rubber soles on the bottom of this. So even after it's done cooking and it's really hot, you can just set it on any surface and it's not going to melt or damage the surface. To adjust whichever one you want to use, if you want to use the small one or the large one, it comes with this plate. So right now I have it set for the largest setting. To remove it, just pull it up, and then there's different levels that you can put it on. For the smaller one, what you do is you just go and you click it in right here. And now you can see it's set up and ready to go for the smaller one. To slide it on, it'll just slide right down the middle of here. So this is how it goes. So just sliding the crisper on like that, and then pressing it in, and there we go. And it just sits up like that. If it's not fully on, the machine won't start cooking. So just make sure that this is fully pressed in for it to actually be able to start cooking. And then as you can see, there's the light coming on and off. So you can turn the light off again there. Some other things, this is the crisper plate that comes with the machine. So you can pop that on and off for easy cleaning. And then it just sets down right here into the air fryer. There's 2 of them that came with the package I got. So one for the small one for the larger one. And then it also came with these storage lids. So if you get done cooking and then you just want to put the leftovers away, this just sits pretty easily on top of there. And then you can close that up. But those are the main features, and that's how you use this machine. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and then I'll get back to you.